Alright, that's your 6 right there. Fucking go, buddy. Nope. You forfeit the hole? Yeah. Okay. Hey, I gotta be honest, I forgot to record.
And he took that personally.
You aim left and it goes right. I don't get it.
Cut a tree.
I'm finna cut the corner.
How's that? Right side of the
Hey, tell him what corner you're about to fucking cut, buddy.
I'm finna cut that corner over there.
See.
That would have been good if I didn't get under so much.
What fucking corner did you just cut, buddy?
Wow.
Are we gonna drop in the fairway?
You want to?
You want to? For the sake of the content, kind of. We just suck ass, bro.
You're using your hybrid? Your hybrid, we all know where your hybrid's gonna end up right now. Yeah.
Are you shitting me, bro? It hit a fucking tree and bounced back.
Are you steering it?
It hit a fucking tree and bounced back, bro. Should I go through? Should I go through it right here?
Yeah.
I say I'm like, you know Charlie Woods? That's me.
Run up there. Run.
Yeah.
Fuck shit.
That shit was beautiful as fuck. It's the best chance I've had all day to win a hole. So I really gotta take advantage of it. Come on, go.
Fuck. Ain't not even on the green. So all I gotta do is get on the green and I'll be okay.
But you're not gonna do it, bitch.
God damn.
Oh, shit.
Yup.
There we go.
Good chip. Let's go. Oh my god.
Fuck.
Good?
No, that's not good, but this is good. Okay.
If I made it, I win.
Yep. God just sold the bag.
No, if I make this,
Hey,
dog.
get it from here.
I gotta make this a tie.
There we go.
Oh my god.
I gotta drink.
Fourth shotgun like this.
Free putted from fucking 5 feet. How? 5 deep and it's past an hour. Luckily, I'm a what they call a Himatron. Boy, you gonna actually try to hit it like an iron or something? You're a bitch, dude. You're a bitch. You put out an iron. You're a bitch. Use the fuck, but you're still a bitch.
Late.
Alright, I'm done fucking up for the day. To be completely honest with you, I'm drunk. I'm in there, but like I
Did you
can.
come back?
No, I just hit right now. When I was over the ball, that shit wasn't gonna happen, bro. I barely hit the ball, bro. Like it's getting bad, dog. Thing is, my swings, it was looking good on the range, but that did not translate off to the actual course.
You almost hit the tree though.
Oh no. Oh no.
What number is that?
What number is that? That was. Devin, you can't do that.
I got a P2, so I don't blame him. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, that could be good. Gael.
Let's go! Let's go! We needed that.
Gael being 6 deep might have just changed the game for him.
No, it didn't.
That shit's like a chug jug. It's like a damn.
A chug. Now you gotta match the energy, dog.
Bugging.
Hey, FC.
I was bugging.
FC, what you finna do, FC? Hey, brother, what you finna do?
Hey, shut the fuck up and let me go.
Brother.
Yo. Bitch.
In the bunker.
Man.
Short.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
We needed that. We actually fucking needed it.
Bro. What? Look like crack act.
Hey, that's not bad. Here. Go win.
That's 7 for
It is
you.
at least.
No way.
Oh my god.
Alright, yeah, I'm fucking lost every hole. And then we took one before we even started playing, plus the extra one I took because the dumbass forgot to turn
What
the
are
camera
you? What
off.
are you looking at?
I'm currently on shot 8. Damn. Hey. Look up.
Alright.
Shotgun 8. Why you?
Why?
Did you molest me?
Bottoms up. I love how he makes out with the can.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
please like shotgun one? Just to shotgun
One time.
You want me to shotgun one just to make it fair?
I'm sauced.
Alright, hold on. Let me shotgun one just to make it a little bit better.
3, 2, 1.
You spill half the shit before you even turn it in here. Alright, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Turn it over. Turn it over.
Holy fuck.
You gonna play for mine?
I lost all
God, do you
hope
see
for
it?
Gael.
God, you see it? It's all the way over there.
Where's it at?
But it just landed right there.
Did I?
I'm fucking with you, bro. You all the way over.
Hey, let me play for mine.
He said, I ain't gonna hold you. The gym is crazy right now.
Fuck.
Got that.
But do you really wanna chug?
That I'm willing to shotgun 3 more just to like forfeit.
Wait, what hole is it? Hole 5?
This is 5.
But I shotgun
5.
already.
Hey, Jeremy said
6,
y'all to go eat.
6,
Beat us.
7, 8. Now you have to shotgun 4.
What if we tag team?
Wait. Come here. So you quit right now?
Quit right now.
You're forfeiting?
Yeah.
We have to shotgun 4 back to back. And we bet it and undisclosed amount. How much you want to bet?
$2.
You heard that? $500 he just coughed up.
What the
He just coughed up $500.
No, like, I was gonna lose regardless. So
Are you sure about this guy?
Yeah.
This is fucking nuts. I ain't gonna lie.
yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not like I'm not gonna. I can't continue to play golf.
You want me to shotgun with you, bro? I'll shotgun with him.
shotgun 5 with me?
No, I'll shotgun 1. All right, just to clarify
You
again,
still
you
have to-
forfeit, so you have to chug 4
forfeit.
straight.
I'll check off 4.
You was talking hella shit, bro. You was
I
like,
was.
but you was like, he thought he was so much better than me too, bro.
I was definitely talking my
Yeah.
shit. Yo, wait for the last one. For the last
All
one.
right, I'll wait.
First one.
Go ahead, gang.
What a college student.
Take a breather.
He's just spilling it on.
There goes 2. Wait.
Here's 3.
Why can't you chug this much water?
Go.
Holy shit, bro.
Oh my god, dude.
It's fucking nuts, bro.
If Gael dies on camera, I'm probably going to jail. Gael just slowly faces
Gang,
away.
you straight? You're not done, gang.
There's no way this is safe. It's just...
Are you ready?
Wait, no, I'm not.
There's a Victor one. That's it. Ready?
Hoorah. Gotta do it sideways. I swear to God. Oh. Gael is stumbling.
Hold on.
Gael...
He just throws up?
If you throw up, you have to drink 2 more for throwing it up.
There you fucking have it, buddy. Alligator.
That's crazy.
Tell me how you feel, bro.
Gael Costa is tonight's loser.
Tonight's big loser.
All in all, I lost fair and square. Got through 5 holes and realized I wasn't gonna win. So these last holes were pointless as fuck. So I decided to end it all. I'm hungry as fuck. So I'm gonna go eat some food.
Hey, I respect you for checking 4 though. That's fair.
So
well, I don't know if it's fair because that's kind of fucked up. But
in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna be really fucked up. So
you better
fist pump.
Nah,
No, I cut myself in accident.
Oh my god, Gael.
Oh my God, there's blood.
God wrong.
They're like video right there.
First
There's my
video.
first video right there. All right, bro. Let's go fucking eat, bro.
Thanks for watching, fellas. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Share with all your friends, your family, and stay tuned till next video where we do try not to twerk challenge. Thanks.
Hey.
Little pussy belongs to me.